2019. First segment, The Icons. On stage, please, Mr. Ernie Garcia and Ms. Jana Zaplan. We would also like to invite on stage to present the awards, Ms. Alice H. Reyes, Ali Awards Foundation President, Ms. Farah Asher, Brian Ward, and Mr. June Dagula, Ali Awards Foundation's Auditor.
What? Oh, yeah.
An icon is a symbol, a representation of consistency.
Yeah, she is.
They have their keen eyes on a goal. They are passionate and make a positive change. More importantly, they inspire people, make a positive change in their lives.
Sa gabing ito, paparangalan natin ang mga icon ng entablado at pagtatanghal. We begin with the special awardees for their contribution in their performing arts.
Special awards for their contribution to the performing arts and live entertainment. Excellence in their fields of expertise. Greenfield Development Corporation CEO owner, Mr.